Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're curious about your internet connection speeds or want to troubleshoot slow performance, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be exploring some of the best speed check apps for Android that make it easy to measure your download and upload speeds. These tools will help you understand your network performance and ensure you're getting the speeds you pay for. Let's get started. SpeedCheck app. SpeedCheck app is a reliable tool that allows users to test their internet connection speed easily. This app measures both download and upload speeds while also providing latency information, giving users a comprehensive overview of their network performance. The user-friendly interface makes it simple to initiate tests and view results. Additionally, users can access historical data to compare speeds over time and identify trends in their internet connectivity. Whether you're troubleshooting a slow connection or just curious about your speed, this app provides accurate results in a matter of seconds. SpeedChecker Speed Test. SpeedChecker Speed Test offers a robust and straightforward way to measure your internet speed. The app automatically detects your network and initiates tests to deliver real-time data on download and upload speeds, as well as ping latency. One of the standout features is its ability to test both Wi-Fi and mobile data connections, making it versatile for users on the go. The app includes a clean and intuitive layout that presents results in an easy-to-understand format. Users can also view detailed statistics and a history of previous tests, helping them monitor their internet performance over time. Simple Speed Check. Simple Speed Check lives up to its name by providing a fast and uncomplicated way to check internet speeds. The app allows users to quickly measure download, upload, and ping speeds with a single tap. Its minimalist design ensures that users can navigate and understand their results effortlessly. Simple Speed Check also features a map that displays the speed test locations, allowing users to pinpoint where tests were completed. Additionally, the app offers a history log to track speed tests and highlights any fluctuations in performance. This is a great choice for those who prefer a no-fuss approach to checking their internet speed. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this overview of the best speed check apps helps you find just the right tool to monitor your internet performance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and app recommendations. Which app are you eager to try out? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.